Okay? And this outcome makes sense because player one's payoff is 1 minus delta 2, and player two's payoff is delta 2. Now this makes sense, it makes intuitive sense, okay, because the incentive to reach an early agreement is embodied in the player's So the incentive to reach an early agreement embodied in the player's impatience leads to an outcome where player one's payoff is positive, right? So the reason player one offers player two delta 2 from the beginning is that player 2, because he's impatient, is indifferent between receiving delta 2 now and delta 2 times the initial his offer of 0-1, his take in the offer of 0-1 later, which is delta 2. So the fact that player 2 is impatient, the fact that player 2 has a discount factor, it means he gets to be he can accept an offer that is equivalent of him getting the whole pie in the next period initially, and that leaves player 1 with a positive payoff, which is 1 minus delta 2. And it also makes intuitive sense because player player 2's threat to reject player 1's initial proposal is credible only if the proposal made by player 1 gives player 2 less than delta 2, because rejection leads to a delay that reduces player 2's value of the pie to delta 2, right? So player 2's threat to reject player 1's initial proposal is credible only if the proposal that's proposed by player 1 to player 2 gives player 2 less than delta 2. Because if once the player 1 offers delta 2 player 2 less than delta 2, then player 2 gets to reject, and then player 2 would offer 0-1 in the next round, which player 1 will accept, and player 2 would get 1 times delta 2, which is the discount factor, and which is the inconvenience of having to wait for a second round.